What's good, guys? So here in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to spot your key levels in the market, how to identify these important zones and use these levels as potential buy and sell zones in the market. So do well to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this market teaching. So on identifying the market levels, it's advisable that we start from the higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the weekly time frame. We can spot our key levels on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame, on the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frame. But most synthetic indices traders are day traders. So when identifying your levels as a day trader, it's advisable you start from the daily time frame, spotting your key levels. So on the daily time frame on VIX 251S index, we have level, an important level at this point. Basically, we have this level as an important level. Reasons is that when we zoom in the chart, we can see that we've got markets react on this level a couple of times. We've seen market reaction here, resistance. We've got markets also react on this level as a support. We can see this candlestick buys on this level, right, as a support. Resistance, support at this point, sorry, support here, support at that zone, support here too. Though the reactions on this level are little buy moves, little support reaction, but it's advisable to acknowledge this level. So we can see we got market reaction on this level, resistance, and before price decided to break above this level at this point. We also got market sell on this level as a resistance. Let's put it as well, resistance. Yeah, before price broke above this level. So market is trying to approach this next level of support. This broken level turned, this broken level of resistance now turned support. So if price can get to this level, there's a possibility and a probability that we're going to get a buy move from this zone. Looking at the market trend, always identify the market trend as well on spotting the market key levels and zones. Always make sure you spot the market trend. So we have this uptrend on the daily time frame on 251S index. So if price can get to this level, to this zone here, we have possibilities of getting the buy move from this level. So this is my marked out zone on the daily time frame on VIX 251S index. So if I'm to take a trade on the daily time frame, I would be waiting for price to get to this zone before I buy, and my focus will definitely be on the buy side of the market. Yeah, now we've identified this level, this zone basically, and the market trend, and our focus is on the buy side of the market, and price is yet to get to our buy zone. So we should know that for price to get to this zone, for price to get to this our buy zone, the sales is expected to this point for the buys. So on the 4-hour time frame, we actually had a couple of levels which would be identifying. So we have one of those levels here on the 4-hour time frame chart. We have one of those levels here. This is a level of support, a strong level of support basically. And I feel like before price decides to break below this level, we'll get a lot of market reactions on this level, basically on this level of support, because you can see that we've got markets, we've got price give the buy move from this level as a support on the 4-hour time frame chart. The first reaction, then the second one, and the third buy reaction at this point. Currently price is approaching this same level of support, this level identified here. Basically price is approaching this level, and we could get short-term buys from that zone on seeing market reaction on this level basically. And when we observe this move, when we observe the buys from this zone, we can see that the first buys we got this long buys, this big bullish move. The second one, a shorter bullish move. The bullish move keeps reducing, indicating that the sellers are coming into the market, and the bear and the bulls, that's the buyers, are losing out on their buy power, their buy strength, right, to keep pushing this market to the upside. So now we have to be very observant on this trade setup, on this index basically. You have to be very, very observant, because getting the market buy on this level a couple of times, we may not get price buy on this level on test of it the fourth time. And even if you have to get the buys on this level, we'll be getting a short-term buy for the sales, for the expected sales basically, for the expected sales. And on this 1-hour time frame chart, we've had a couple of levels which are potential trade levels, like this level basically. This is a level of resistance. Seeing the market reaction on this level, first reaction, resistance, 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 resistance. Let's spot it basically. First reaction there, resistance. Second one here, sorry, second reaction here, resistance. Third reaction at this point, resistance. We also got a reaction at this zone, sorry. Got a reaction here, resistance. We also got a reaction at this point as a resistance. So this is a strong level. Someone who was able to, a price action trader who was able to identify this level of resistance can be like, if price can tell on this level the first time as a resistance, second time as a resistance, there's the possibility of getting price sell on this level the third time as a resistance. Okay, even if you couldn't get the third sales on this level as a resistance, if price can approach this level the fourth time, you could as well predict the sales on the test of this zone on price testing this level of resistance. You can see someone who took the sales here will definitely make something from the market, will definitely make good profits from these sales. Market still approached this level the fifth time and gave the sales on it as a resistance. When a level is tested multiple times, it's assumed that the level gets stronger, and in the same sense, the level also gets weaker. And we had another level here, sorry. We had a level here below this identified zone on the 4 time frame, yeah. We had another level at this point. This is a level of support which price just broke below right now. And remember, our focus is on the sell side of the market. Long-term focus, sorry, short-term focus is on the sell side of the market. We're expecting this market to sell to this zone. We're expecting price to sell to this zone we identified on the daily time frame. This zone here, this zone at this point here. So our focus is on the sell side of the market, and having this level broken, this level of support, which price has buy on a couple of times, seeing the buys on this level, support, second buys, support, yeah, third buys here, support. So having this level identified, we can easily predict the buys on the fourth test of this level, or even on the third test of this level. After getting this 1, 2 buys, can predict the buys here, the buys here, and the buys here as well. Before price decided to do what, break below this level, pushed up above it, broke below it now, and market is trading below this level at the moment. So my prediction, short-term prediction, basically would be, if price can give a move to this zone on testing this level, sorry, on testing this level, yeah, on testing this level here, if price can test this level and push up to this point, this would be my sell zone on this index, because I'm looking out for what, sell opportunities. I'm expecting this index to sell to this zone, to this our sell point here, to this our buy zone. The sell is expected to this zone, right? And on this same 1 hour time frame, we've got a bearish structure, which is market creating this lower heights formation, this lower highs formation, and this what, lower lows formation. So this is a nice bearish structure we got on the 1 hour time frame chart. So if price can move a little bit to this point, we'll be looking out for what, sell opportunities. So you can see how we are able to identify our potential sell zones and buy zones in the market. And also checking previous moves, we can see that we've got market react on some levels. Let's check. We've got price react on some level. Okay, like this level we got here, we have a level at this point. This was previously a level of support, sorry, level of resistance. This was previously a level of resistance, which you can see price sell on resistance, 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 before market decided to break above this level and gave a retest on it. So on the retest of this level, someone can easily predict the buys from this point, saying that for price to react on this level as a resistance now got broken, it means that the buyers has taken charge of the market. That's the bulls. So there's high chances of getting the buys from this zone, adding to this uptrend, adding to the market's trend we got here. So it's always advisable to identify the market's trend on spotting your zones and levels. So we can see that the market is an option at this point. So we have higher chances of getting the buyers buy on our zones. And this retest here, just like the opposite of what we're expecting on this current price zone, on this current price level, yeah. Having this market structure, downtrend, lower highs and lower lows formation, we can see that we had a level here which got broken. So if price can push down to this zone a little bit, sell more, and give a retest of this zone, this would be our sell point in the market. On price testing this level, we'll be looking to shorting this index from this zone. And if market can't actually give a test of this zone, our next sell point would be on price breaking below this level, this 4 time frame zone, giving a retest on it here, giving the retest on it, then we sell, because this was previously a level of support which price has hold on to for some time now. So if price can give a break below that level, a break below this level here, right, give a retest on it, this would be our sell point. So we have two major sell zones in the market basically on this index. The first sell zone is at this point. It does if price can sell down a little bit, push up to retest this broken level of support, then we'll be shorting at this point. We're taking the sales at this zone. But if price can't give the retest, the expected retest at this point, our sell zone will now be on price breaking below this level, giving the retest of this zone. Then we'll be shorting from this point, right? This is a strong level of support on the 4-hour time frame chart. Seeing the previous market moves here, getting price buy on this level as a support here. So if price can break below this level of support, because the last buy move we got here was a short-term buy move compared to the previous moves we've been getting. Yeah, so it means that the buyers are losing steam, they're losing their buying power. So if price can break below this level, give a test on it to be looking to doing what, shorting this index from this point. And if markets can short this zone, we have a long-term focus, a long-term buy focus on this index, which is the buys from this zone, this first level identified on the day time frame chart. This would be our next trade level. So that's how to identify potential buy and sell zones in the market. So for more trade teachings like this and market breakdown, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. Let me slot, guys. Let's do more and have another day.